Here are 5 most important things to have stored in your car. Number 1. Emergency Breakdown Car Kit. Emergency Breakdown Car Kit is a must to have because it includes emergency safety toolkits for common car breakdowns and emergencies. It includes 500 amp jumper booster cables, essential safety and security tool for dealing with dead battery, reflective wearing triangle. Highly reflective material provides visibility for motorists in day and night. Reflective safety vest. Fit most people over the top of their coat to alert other drivers, help avoid danger especially at night. 3-meter tow strap. Large bearing capacity up to 3 tons, double head screwdriver. 2-in-1 function, cross point and slotted point to fix different kind of screws. Gloves with non-slip rubber grips, great for changing your tires to protect your hands. 5-in-1 safety hammer. Combines 5 functions of flashlight, strobe light, seat belt, cutter, safety hammer and magnetic. Adult raincoat, perfect for helping you walk in a rainy day. Zippered storage bag. Store all pieces of accessories together for convenient carry. Car replacement fuse with standard size from 5 amp to 30 amp, suitable for all kind of cars and specified fittings. Emergency foil blanket to use in an emergency if cold or in shock. PVC insulating tape, insulation protection of electrical wires and hardness in automotive industry. Tire pressure gauge, reading accurate car or truck tires gauge. Number 2. Powder fire extinguisher. Now hopefully you will never get to use this, but if you find yourself in a scenario where there is fire, then you'll be more than happy to have purchased this life-saving product. Can be used on fires involving organic solids, liquids such as grease, fats, oil, paint, petrol, etc. Can also be used on gas fires. It has a shelf life of 5 years and worth about 17 pounds, weighing at about 1 kilogram. Number 3. First aid kit. JFA Medical has a 185 pieces in first aid kit bag. It is ideal for travel, sports, adventure, home use, workplace or outdoor, especially to have it stored in the car for emergency. The first aid kit includes a wide variety of different bandages, and there are also wound closure strips, tough cut scissors, saline wipes, emergency foil blanket, tweezers and much more. Number 4. Tire inflator. What people may not realize is that tire inflator can be a real lifesaver. If you're stranded in the middle of a snowstorm and have a flat tire with no way to call for help, a 12-volt portable air compressor can inflate that tire and get you back on your way within minutes. Buddy Go 12 volts digital tire portable air compressor inflates tires at maximum pressure of 150 psi. The tire inflator can inflate a normal medium-sized car tire from 0 to 35 psi in 3 to 5 minutes. Just press the switch and the tire inflator compressor will do all the work for you. It also has an emergency LED light to see in the dark once the air compressor reaches the required pressure. It will automatically turn off. Number 5. Starter cable and jump starter battery. Now even with a full pump tire, you still won't be going anywhere if your car battery dies. So that is why having a jump starter battery and starter cables are important. Gulu Car Jump Starter Power Pack is a great choice with over 700 global reviews and a 4.5 star rating. It's got no problem starting cars with up to 7-liter engine and 12-volt cars with the size of a smartphone and 9-in-1 multifunction, and priced at just over £70. It puts to shame all other jump starters priced well over 100 quid.